Hi, I'm the AI version of Megan Hall. Welcome to our new, once weekly newsletter and video series, the Gen AI Toolbox. We used Synthesia, a generative AI tool, to create this video. It allows you to choose from a number of avatars to deliver a message to your audience. Allow me to introduce you to the real-life Megan, one of the co-founders of the Gen AI Toolbox, for an overview of what we're doing, and a review of Synthesia. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, I'm the real Megan Hall, and although I think my AI avatar does a good job of introducing me, she doesn't really look like me or sound like me at all, so I thought that I would come on here myself to welcome you to the Gen AI Toolbox, where I'll be testing and reviewing one generative AI tool every week so you don't have to. I'll be considering use cases, talking about pros and cons, and thinking about what kind of jobs could benefit from each tool. And we'll be releasing a video and a newsletter every Friday. Today, I'll be reviewing Synthesia, which is the Gen AI tool that I used to make the video you saw at the beginning. It costs $30 a month, but for $1,000 a year, you can get an avatar that actually looks like you and sounds like you. In the paid version, you can customize text, logos, avatars, and backgrounds. It's fast, it's easy to learn, and it creates videos in a quick manner. The video that you just saw only took me 5 minutes to create. I was able to type in my own script, but you can also have it generate a script for you because it's integrated with OpenAI's ChatGPT. I do think there are some cons to Synthesia. It doesn't do a good job of emphasizing certain words, which makes it sound a little bit less human, and it doesn't always have the best pronunciation of words without some human intervention and help.
AI version of Megan, back again to show you what real Megan meant by that. Without an assist, I pronounce the name Inalid incorrectly. But, if a human helps me by entering phonetic pronunciation cues, I can say Inalid. Now back to real-life Megan, who will share use cases for this tool.
I think Synthesia could be a worthwhile tool to add to your toolbox if you're creating a lot of videos for emails, social platforms, or ad campaigns, or if you wanted to create instructional videos for end users. I think you could also use it to create a wide variety of videos for a number of different audiences so that you wouldn't have to record yourself 10, 20 different times for all the different videos you wanted to create. And it could also liven up the content that you're producing in a way that could get your colleagues or your audiences to pay a little bit more attention to it. Otherwise, I would say it's just fun and interesting for a couple of different uses. I'll be rating each tool out of 5 stars based on the following criteria: ease of learning, time saved, quality of the end product, overall value, and practicality. I'll give Synthesia 3 out of 5 stars. It was easy to learn and it would save me time spent recording. I thought the end product was pretty good, but I'm having a hard time justifying its practical use cases beyond just a limited number of jobs. I think the tech is quick and interesting, but there are still a lot of reasons that you would want to record yourself rather than an avatar. And for those reasons, I did dock it on practicality and overall value. Thanks so much for joining me for the first edition of the Gen AI Toolbox, and I will see you next Friday.